Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to do a scatter plot using VINIA data. So the first thing that we need to do is download the data. And I'm going to go here to explore vital signs. I'm on the VINIA website. Click here and select an indicator. So my analysis is going to be regarding household medium salary and the percentage of people without a high school diploma. So let's find those indicators. So census data is going to have the median household income. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to view the data. So I have here the data. I'm going to download the data. Maybe I'll copy. I usually download the data, but I can also copy. I'm going to open Excel. I'm going to paste it. Let's see if I paste it there. Okay. So right there, I have the data for household income, median household income. I'm going to concentrate on the data for 2011, so I'm going to delete the 2010, and I'm going to delete those other two columns as well. So I'll delete that, and I'm going to put this a label to this so I remember median household income. Okay, so I have that. Probably I should put that this is 2011 so I don't get confused. So 2011. So I have my first indicator. I'm going to change indicator. I'm going to find the other one, and the other one is the percentage of people without a high school diploma. I need to find that. I think that would be in education. Let's see if I have it here. It's not here. Percentage of not here. There are a lot of indicators, so it might take me a minute to find it. Let's see here in workforce economic development. Okay, so here I have a percent of population with 25 years and over with less than a high school diploma or GED. So let's see if there is. I'll look at the data. I have the data here. I'm going to copy it. Go back to my Excel. I'm going to paste it here. So I'll paste it here. So I paste all the data. I have to make sure that the communities match. They should. I should have the same data for both variables. I do. Okay, I'm going to delete this column. I'll delete this one. I'm going to relabel that one as the percentage of people without high school diploma. It's 25 or more, so I'm going to say 25 plus. I'll have to remember that, but set. And I can delete these other columns. Before I do my scatter plot, I also have to delete the city of Baltimore as a whole because I'm interested in the different areas of Baltimore, not Baltimore as a whole. That will be like the total, so I'll delete that too. So now here I have my data. I have all the communities and I have the two variables. Now I have to decide which one is the dependent and which one is in the independent. Well, I'm going to try to use the percentage of people without a high school diploma or a GED to explain median household income. And my hypothesis is that the higher that percentage, the lower is going to be the median household income in that area. So what I'm going to do now is the scatter plot. So I'll go to the add-ins, I don't have phstat here, so I need to open that. So I'll go open, and actually I opened it earlier, so I'll do recent phstat, enable. Now I have phstat here. I'll go to descriptive statistics, and I'm going to select a scatter plot. So my dependent variable is going to be the median household income. No, that's the one that I'm trying to explain. And in this case, I'm using the percentage of people without a high school diploma or a GED that is over 25. And I'll say OK. And here I have my scatter plot. And I can clearly see that there is some sort of relationship between these two variables. It looks like as the percentage of people without a high school diploma increases, the median in that area decreases. Now one thing I can do is add a trend line. So I select the data, do a right click, and I have add trend line. And I can say, okay, display the equation on chart and display R-square value on chart. Say, okay, and here I can see my equation. Okay, so this finished this part. So now you know how to create a scatter plot. Please let me know if you have any questions.